Are you annoyed by the constant notifications on your phone? Change it. Press and hold the application icon on your home screen. Open App Details. Go to the Notifications section and disable them. The other option is to open Settings. Navigate to your apps and find the application. And disable notifications. Is your battery always empty? Then try to start the battery saver. You can either pull down the status bar to show options and enable battery saver, which is one of the options. The other option is to open battery settings and enable battery saver there. You can also turn on battery saving options just for one application. Long press on the application icon in the menu and open its details. Here you can navigate also through settings, as shown earlier in the video. Now, open the app battery usage and set it to restricted. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.